Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are on the video mode. I prefer to have it on the photo mode, but it doesn't really matter. All we have to do now is to tap on this arrow, which is right in the middle, to open the options. And here we have to go to the custom. Then at the bottom we've got the option reset, so let's simply tap on it and your device will ask you whether you want to restore camera default settings, so just tap on OK. Now we just got back to the photo mode, to the camera, and it means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.